Manipur ki law and order is the Indian constitution makha Manipur ki absolute power oiga da bapo today to the union government abu DG hapena lauthor isini ne chikana ngana ge bo se 2006 Prakash Singh versus Union of India and a judgment amalai bani Supreme Court ke mada hai se senior most oiba IPS ki list ama panel ama government na tharakadam state government na UPSC na du manungda ahum ama khangalaga khwaidagi competent oiba ahum ama khangalaga state government dong pitharakani hairiba ahum dagi state government na ama khalaga DG ohengadam neba. It is the prerogative of the state government because in India law and order is a state subject. It is listed not in the concurrent list, not in the union list. It is part of state list. Aduna ni India the chief of police India ge leitri because law and order is a state subject. State government ki power never says Supreme Court na higher in ngarang han tokna isi wo koi ngasi yu yaw da hape na order de koi government to ini Manipur government na nangge hydro Delhi ki saum de sum chalai ji khudam mam chu tholai sini ikai ni ngai ni ai di khalle ban han chu Supreme Court tam sie tharoi tang tra ma da thai hai du ga nan gi hearing du na kuntere ta kai na mai se pu wangam de ba khang ra di na porok cha ga ne ikai ga na khang da ni ignorance is bliss kai na da khangam da shanti una lai yaram na cha ne khalle IPS leiriba mayam se competent oide na mapandagi competent kaulini ai ta de ko sida IPS thelaga se salam kotna card isara ma thepani thepa mayam se kari oirage baga men ngangori do sida leirami ba IPS moi ga chamana na da train to ro thol mi ju yauri bani even state service ai convert to usnang UPSC ki approval yauri di further training chalali ni achok leigra ba IPS mayam se competent oide na Supreme Court bu thangali du kamai ni hingam do noi me aching ba thoi ne se hoje Ambedkar na Constituent Assembly the law and order is the sovereign and plenary authority of the state hain hairame magi exclusive oiba ma khaktana paigadaba magi khwaidagi maunde yet payadaba magi power ne na law and order je Ambedkar na Constituent Assembly debate ta ma na Constituent Assembly hairame ba singang raga di dum tumina leisa haibra ba